Keep physical interactions low in your Quicklaunch enabled meeting room by utilizing the newly updated remote control feature. The Quicklaunch remote control has been rebranded for Kramer and gives the user ability to control the entire meeting room, from joining meetings to launching applications, and even sharing files from the safety of your personal device. Along with rebranding, users can now choose which Quicklaunch action groups are shown when using the remote control. Enter Quicklaunch settings, then the plugins group, followed by selecting remote control. Then enable or disable action groups as required. For more information about Quicklaunch, visit our website at www.ucworkspace.com/quicklaunch.